when kings die. Remove your soul and take a deep breath and listen to the screams of pain and anger about our brother's death. How their lives seem to have no value and no one hears their cry. On the cold, wet, bloody streets at night is where our babies die. What must we do to reach our children's mind? What path can we show them that explains mankind? How can we remove the shadows of gang and war to love? How can we show them that prayer works, plus mercy from above? Let's demonstrate God's plan to redeem us all. Let's hand in hand motivate Martin's call. We must help our brothers. We got to do more than try. We keep losing our race when kings die. From the womb to the church, to the alley, to the front door, to the hospital, graveyards, courthouse, and many more. From the depths of our heritage, sold slaves, ghettos, and wannabes, to the shores of hallelujah, kingdom rise to our destiny. Put the fear down, put the guns down, and wear your black skin. Put on your robes of excellent, intelligent, God-fearing men. Change your language, your appetite for drugs, abuse to education. Relieve yourselves of lost time, chaotic venues, and false supplications. Wear your crowns of royalties and stop drinking from those goblins of hell. Give them back their nigger mentalities, abuse you learned in jail. We are tired of burying our doctors, lawyers, and teachers under the sky. We all lose our purpose and dreams when kings die. And when your soul is removed from God's precious earth, let us remember your beautiful legacies from the time of your birth. Not the stories of you been gunned down by cops and gang banging from day to day, but how you manned up for your families and taught your babies how to pray. Get on this mission like Malcolm, Sharpton, Tavis, Farrakhan. Be your brother's keeper. Terrence, Felipe, Oscar, and Trayvon. Raise your head up high because we can no longer tarry. We need to get this done, my brothers and sisters, by any means necessary.